If you've been in a car accident, chances are the other side's insurance company is going to call you to try to not pay you. This is the video you have to watch to tell you how to get paid. Insurance adjusters are trained on how to give you as little money as humanly possible. Here are some tricks to look out for, so when they call you, you know how to be prepared. First thing, what to expect. After you've been in an accident, you're going to exchange information with the other driver. Almost immediately, the other side's insurance carrier is going to contact you. The insurance adjuster is going to pretend to be your best friend. They're going to ask you innocuous questions like, how you doing today? Anything to catch you off guard, anything to make you feel like they're your friend. Their goal is simple. Their goal is to get as much information out of you as humanly possible to screw up your case right off the bat. Little innocuous questions like, how are you doing today? Or how are you feeling? Those could eventually be used against you. Right off the bat, if this other insurance company is asking you to give a recorded statement, please decline it. Those recorded statements could come back later on to haunt you. As a general rule of thumb, you have no obligation whatsoever to talk to the other side's insurance company. If they call you, kindly or politely reject the phone call. Tactic number 2, quick settlement offer. If the other insurance company knows that their driver's at fault, they might offer you a really quick settlement. They might say, hey, we're going to keep paying your medical bills, but we'll give you $1,000 or $5,000. They're trying to get rid of your personal injury claim right off the bat. Tactic number 3, they're not going to fully explain all of the insurance benefits available to you. Insurance carriers, not that they're going to actively lie to you, but they're not going to disclose all the potential coverages that you may have. It's really important that if you're in an accident, contact a lawyer. Lawyers know how to get additional insurance benefit information from the other party's insurance. Another common tactic, delaying communication. So after your treatment's done, after you submitted a demand and you ask for some money, typically the other insurance carrier is going to delay communication. The goal is simple, it's to frustrate you. If they're delaying communication, delaying settling your case, that initial offer of $1,000 or $5,000 is going to look pretty good after a while. Don't bite on it. It's a delay tactic made to entice you to accept that initial lowball offer. Another tactic, and this is tied to the last one, it's requesting duplicative information or too much information. The goal here is twofold. First, they're hoping to frustrate you. Producing documents is frustrating, it's time consuming. Their goal is to frustrate you again into accepting a low settlement offer. The second thing is, they might be requesting information that could eventually hurt your case. Past medical bills or other information that could undermine your claim. So it's really important that you talk to an attorney and make sure you're not giving away any information that could undermine your claim. Another common tactic is confusing you. New York is what's called a comparative negligence state. That's a fancy way of saying if you were somewhat responsible for an accident, your recovery is reduced by that percentage of responsibility. So if you're 10% responsible, your damages are going to be reduced by 10%. Insurance carriers are going to throw these fancy terms at you and they're going to try to shift blame onto you and explain to you that your case is not worth what you think it is. Do not fall for this. If you have a strong case with a lot of evidence supporting your claim, please talk to a lawyer first. Make sure you're not being undermined at all. Again, these insurance adjusters, they're trained. They're trained to give you as little money as humanly possible. Heck, they give bonuses based on it. The only way to make sure that you get exactly what you're entitled to is to talk to a lawyer, evaluate your case, and make sure that you have a strong claim. If you have any questions about your case or claim, shoot us an email, give us a call.